Hey, what's up, Chiliz holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This time I'm talking about the Chiliz. Absolutely, this time the Chiliz is going positive, my friends. And absolutely, at this time, that is the surprise news for all Chiliz holders that at this time, the last 1 hour, the last one day, the last 1 week, the whole changes is going positive. So absolutely, my friends. First time I look, the whole changes is going positive. That's a surprise news for all Chiliz holders. Hope you like it this time, the Chiliz coin, my friends. And please, if you like Chiliz at this time, so please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Anyways, let's see the latest update of the Chiliz, and after that we discuss that what will be the next coming soon in the Chiliz. At this time, the latest price of the Chiliz in the market is 0.33669 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chiliz. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes open in the Chiliz, so see it said the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes is going positive. That is why I'm feeling very good and I'm very happy today. And if anybody asks me questions about the challenge, that how do you feel today about the challenge, so I answer his that I'm feeling 100% positive, and I very appreciate it this time challenge for everyone to invest more and more in the challenge, my friends. Let's see the price chart, my friends, and let's discuss that what will be the next move. Oh my god, it's absolutely the quick jump so in the channels, my friend. That is the last 1 week price of the channels, and absolutely the whole chain is occur in the last 2 days, my friends. My prediction is that is just a beginning. That is just a beginning. The huge pump of the chairs are coming soon, so just wait for it, my friends. The huge pump are coming soon, so wait for it. That is just a beginning. And absolutely the great surprise opportunities are remaining, so wait for it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, and remember, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Chiliz? My prediction is 100% positive, as I told you in the start of this video, and I'm very happy from the Chiliz. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.